Friends, welcome back to my English channel. Welcome back to my channel Week English. My dear friends, I have already discussed so many things in my YouTube channel. If you don't see that channel, after you just go and watch that channel. I have already discussed about A to Z, actually what is the characteristics of these alphabets. First of all, you just watch that video and then whatever you can do, actually you must do according to you. So it's dependent on you. If you want to speak well in English, if you want to do something else, extraordinary things for you, absolutely you maybe do that, it's dependent on you. So my dear friends, today I must discuss about some words. Which words most needed for you for speaking English? Everybody thinks that English language is very difficult language. But today I must discuss about this point. Actually, how can it will be easy for you? Actually, what you can do for English language? Actually, you can speak well in English. My dear friends, though you are beginner, though you want to speak well in English, though I are very passionate to speak well in English, after you have to do one thing, that is, you have to collect some words, which words most needed for speaking English. Let us see. Suppose you are weakness in English, you have not anything else, you have not any idea actually how can you speak well in English, but you have interest, how can you execute these things for you and for your professional life. So first of all, if you think that you have not any knowledge in English language, after you must start. First of all, you have to learn some English words. If you think that how can you get these words, so that must help you to grow in your life, to speak well in English. My dear friends, there are so many platforms. You must go for that and you just find out actually what is that platform easily, because there are so many YouTube channels in related of English language, in related of English vocabulary. After you go for that and search actually what do you want, and if you are not unable to get these things, after you just go for word book. It is a one type of book, after you must get any type of words from that word book. So these are the two platforms, after you must get it actually what you want to start your journey. My dear friends, if you don't take any effort for you, if you don't take any action for you, actually you can do any improvement in life. So it is best you just go whatever you want in your life, whatever you go ahead in your life, absolutely you just find out that trick. If you don't utilize your mind, so nobody can give some advice to you. You just do that and you just do this. So first of all, you utilize actually what you want to become. If you decided that to become a fluent speaker, actually according to that you have to hard work for that. Because without hard work, if you think that you can get anything else according to you, actually that is very difficult for you. So it is best you just utilize your mind. If you want to become a fluent speaker, according to that you have to utilize your mind, actually what you can do or not. If you take any stress, if you don't think in mind, if you don't take any action for you, just you think that how can you become a fluent speaker, actually that is very difficult for you. So it is better you just go. First of all, you must collect some words. Which words most needed for speaking English? You just practice that, and if you try to make sentence with that word, actually you must do that. And you should be do this for the long time. Then you can expect that to get success in your life. So this is the tips for you. If you any stress, how can you achieve? How can you get success? And how many times take for these things? Actually you just don't think about these points. You just do your duty. Because universe tells that. Do your duty. When, how you can get success in your life, actually you just surrender to me. Then you can get success automatically. Though you are passionate, though you are some interest for learning this language, you just do, you just hard work for these things. Then you can achievement. And when you can get achievement in your life, actually it's depend on you. It's depend on your hard work. So my dear friends, this is the tips, this is the advice to you. I think you must utilize this thing for you and for your professional life. If you think that you have not knowledge in English language, absolutely you must start it. You must start it from the zero level. Don't think over it. How can you start? And which word must help you for learning this language? Actually, don't think at all about these points. You just do your duty. You just collect some words, and with these words, you just make simple sentence and a complement sentence. And you have to practice this sentence for the long time. And when it will be practiced, actually, you can start speaking English. So this is the rule, and you have to apply this rule for you. If you don't take any step for you, nobody can take step and nobody can give suggestion to you. You just do that and you just do this. Because you are the own boss. Whatever you can do, whatever you want, according to that you can do that. All things are going to happen by you. It's depend on you. What is your choice? What is your liking? It's depend on you. How can you progress? And how can you get success in your life? All things are going to depends on you. So you just concentrate your mind before doing any work in your life. You just concentrate your mind, and you should be decided that yes, I must do this thing. At anyhow, you have to do that thing. Then you can slowly and slowly go ahead in your life. Because there is a proverb, slow and steady wins the race. You have to apply this rule. You have to utilize these things in your life. Then you can expect that to get success in your life. What you expected that to get sudden, actually that is very difficult for you. Nothing will be happen sudden. If you got it, actually there may be accident in between of work. So it is better you just gain experience. Within work, you just gain experience, and after that you should be try to slowly and slowly. Then you can expect that to get success in life. So this is the tips and this is the advice for you. My dear friends, I must say to you, if you came first time in my channel, be subscribed to my channel to get such type of information for me and for the next video. So thank you all the best.